Kolkata. Nandun si Benjamin, lo telecommunications, radio communications broadcasting regulator, the RPR office. We have some interim regulator. We want them introduce them or let them use about this upcoming important event, Digital Week, where the RPR and co-host play. One very important event where bringing together government, ministries, departments, also private sector organizations, development partners, and wider community to promote them digital transformation, innovation, and consumer awareness. One inclusive way everyone come together and talk about how technology shaping business blogger, service delivery blogger, livelihoods blogger, and the risks too are involved as only use more technologies. And so very important you come, you listen, you get involved. Team this year Digital Week innovate today and sustain tomorrow. So Miami happen between 13, 14 and 15 May, and three very important days. First day Miami focus on consumer rights day, number two e-commerce symposium, and the final day ICT also on ICT day. Sabi help you learn about how technology and digitization sabi help me lo current lo time when I stop mas things will stop evolve very quickly. By me stop transforming to life bring is important, bring innovate today plus sustain tomorrow. So be encourage me everyone blow you may come, you may get involved, you may participate the weekend, you learn, and you hope say by learn them you sabi kopak with them some good thinking where sabi contribute to sustainable development of country as we start move eco forward sa to digital transformation.